y'all. Lloyd's X real shit type shit. Today we gonna be reacting to that new GTA9. I've been hearing this a lot. And on this album, nigga, we got Osama son. Slime get him? Laser dim? Skrilla? What the? Oh, that's my first time listening to this dude. Slimesito, Slime, whatever. Am I saying his name right? I hope so. Real spill. Alright, first song, intro 2025.
My bitch in the doctor trying to get a prescription, smoking like weed. My light car, I got them pants in the fridge.
Alright, intro song was smooth. It was alright. Stop the cap.
Slimesito. Hey, 50s on me, I might pull up finito. On the block, I'm slamming shit like I'm Devo. Slime bar there, that stick nigga get low. Gang white, my niggas posting the fish. This gang spit. The gang nigga gon' get your issue.
That shit was nice and simple. That shit was bitch. What the fuck?
He was talking down and then he got
bitches I don't wanna match. Shoot off the back and then I can hear him beeping. So many guns, niggas think we cheating. Battleship, bitch, we
damn, son.
My drink, I got it in my drawer.
Oh, that's tight.
hey, yeah, dog. Slime, dog. I got that stick, I ain't folding. I'm in the cut, posted up with dog.
I gotta get out my stick, bro.
With dog. That nigga got caught up like he was low, man, and joke. Yeah, I got no rest when you can tell I'm holding. Come past it, I got stats in every fold. My shit.
Slime, get him. Oh, shit.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm on the block with my slime. You know this life of slime. Slime shit, but ain't trying to wind down.
Damn! Come with that switch, nigga. Put a switch on my nine, I'ma name that bitch one. I'ma hit you a drink and switch run out of ammo. This shit Call of Duty, my Glock got a cane, no run.
Oh, sorry. Low on this bitch.
Damn, I'm on gateway rolling peppy gang.
Sippin' on drink. Every step is good, step is playing that game. Yo, 4 ways, sorry, yo, we got no break.
Yeah, I'm on the block, I got a stick on me, yeah, I know this shit get filled. Yeah. First ain't gonna wasn't at the ultra, when I was a fella like Etho. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, that's right.
Back with the stats swing, got within the interview. Gen 5 better around, click out centipede.
Got my gun, I'm hopping out the sprinter, coaching on 2G. Trying to fucking bomb.
He still out with the fiend. Black jerk, I won't put on that green.
All red sticks, right on the back of my truck. All red beans, all red glitz. That nigga get hit with that switch. Blood on me now, I'm switching my flag. Blood on my ice and blood on my stuff. Got glass to the shit, no sell, no glass.
See though we brazy, just came with the gun. But a nigga playing with red rum. Money in my mind, a million and did something.
Got fly bitches and they stay off from G. That nigga broke it, fuck, he still something green.
How about that fast shit, switching lanes? I'm trying to tie, so all I see is the brain.
So he pulling on him. Yeah.
Get your dang for funny and I bought a kill, god damn.
This nigga is trash. They blame with the world, no saying no slack. Smoking you out, you know we tryna ash. I feel like AI cause I don't do no pack.
It was alright, I mean. Oh, nah, that was a good album. It was decent. Comments, whatever, what other stuff I should react to.